Very much. In the first place, I had told you the particular areas in the Constitution that must be amended. Section 65, which makes provision for the qualification of a member of the National Assembly. Section 106, which makes provision for the qualifications of a member of the House of Assembly, vis-a-vis the proviso that he must be a member of a political party and must be sponsored by that political party. Then Section 131, that makes provision for the qualification of a president in that regard. And then Section 177, that makes provision for the qualification of a governor. So all these sections must be amended. Now, it's even good that I even wanted to make this, give this little information, but your question has also given room to it. What the IPAC man said, he's not wrong. It's just that he was just talking about school certificate as qualification. That is not the import and purport of what is in the Constitution. He is very correct. If you go to Section 318 of the Constitution, that interprets the meaning of school certificate, it includes possession of first school living certificate and working experience of about 10 years. Is it not elementary 6? It also includes ordinary attempting school certificate exams. It also includes the last definition there. Any other qualification acceptable by INEC. That is it, because you see, this thing, that's why the Constitution itself is not autochthonous. It's just a contraption of the military. Some people were put together to come up with a draft. Then after the draft, themselves, in Decree 24 of 1999, said they looked at it, made amendments, they accepted. They wrote it there, first page of the Constitution. So, such qualifications are not good. If they had even left it at the fact that you will possess a school certificate, full stop, and then they define it as school certificate alone, that could have been more reasonable based on what you were even saying. Yeah. But if you pick a copy of the Constitution there and you read it out now, you see that they damnified it. So when they are also effecting these other amendments, that's also an area that should be looked at.
Okay.
And as far as I am concerned, what Jide, the prof, and all of them said, putting them together, becomes apt. You see, ordinarily, the way things are, assuming, you see, our orientation in this country is bad. Assuming we have people who are not selfish, then the issue of political parties, the number of political parties in the country could have taken care of everybody. Yes, but a governor, given the money they have, will look at the chairman of those parties and block Prof. Yeah. And block him. He can't get that distance. So what do we lose if we give room for such an independent candidacy? Just like Jide also said, that candidate may even spend more money. Because if you are if you are contesting on the platform of a political party, the party may even help you after the primaries. You now have members. But you have to now get those who love you. You do a lot of running arounds, you recruit people to follow you, you may end up there for spending more money. So as far as I am concerned, it's not a bad idea. They should do it. And like he also said, it's also funny and unfortunate that Nigeria, that we claim to be the giant of Africa, we always coming to run, we are coming behind other smaller African countries. This is something we should have been leading. Of course, it was there in the first republic, 1 or 2, 3 people tried it, but then whether they won or not, it's not even the issue. Let people have that space. Yes.